I'm going to show you how to put the Galaxy A27 5G in developer options, or how to enable developer options. Now this is very simple. Just go into settings. Under settings, scroll all the way down to about phone. It's going to be the last option. Tap on that. And then in the about phone section, you want to go to software information. Tap on that. And then under software information, you're looking for the build number. So you tap on that about 6 to 7 times, and then it's going to give you this pop-up to allow development settings. You tap OK. You may or may not be asked for a password depending on whether you've set one up, and then it's going to enable developer options. So now to access developer options, go back to the main settings page, and now there's going to be a new option under about phone called developer options. You can tap on that, and then you are inside developer options. So that's how you can access developer options in your Galaxy A27 5G. Now to disable developer options, you have to go into the developer options. So you go into settings, scroll all the way down, go to developer options, and then you can turn off developer options on your phone. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Good luck.